Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to install Python on Ubuntu. By default, it should already be installed, but in case something happened or you need to get an older version of Python, it's very simple and we're going to do it straight from the terminal. So to begin, all we do is Control-Alt-T and we open up our terminal here. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger for you guys so you can actually read it. And for instance here, if we look at Python 2, it is not installed. It says command is not found. We'll clear this out with the clear command, hit enter, and we're going to type in sudo apt-get install python 2. Hit enter, type in our password, and it's going to say, hey, these additional packages need to be installed. Would you like to do that? Yes or no? Type in a Y, hit enter, and it's going to install those packages for you and thus install Python. Let's clear this out, type in Python 2, and as you can see, we now have the interactive environment here inside of our terminal that we can now interface with. So for instance, we can just print and say hello dad or something like that, and it'll say hello dad. Now in Python 3, obviously we use parentheses for this. To exit, just hit exit with some parentheses, hit enter, we'll clear that out. Now if you need to do Python 3, it's the same deal, sudo apt-get install, if I can spell correctly, Python 3. Now I already have it installed, so it's going to say nothing needs to be done. If there's any updates that need to be done, it'll tell you right here that you need to do those updates. And if it's not installed, it'll just say, hey, these packages need to be installed, yes or no. Hit yes, go through the process, and you'll have Python 3. Python 3, of course, in this system is 3.10.7. And of course, we can print just like before. And hello dad is now printed out to the terminal. Now let's say that you installed the wrong version of Python and you need to actually remove something. So in instance, you can install specific version numbers of Python 3 and 2, depending on what kind of projects you might be working with, legacy code and whatnot. So to do that, it's very easy. Sudo apt auto remove. And then in this instance here, Python 2, it's going to say, hey, are you sure you want to do this? Yes. Hit enter, clear this out, try to type in Python 2. And you'll notice now it says no file or directory. So that's how you install Python on Ubuntu through the terminal. It's very easy, very fast, very simple. In the next video, we're going to work on how to run scripts from the terminal for Python. That way you can do things like database manipulation, web scraping, or whatever other kind of script you can think of. It's very simple, very easy. Hope you stick around, and we'll see you in the next video.